All right, y'all. It is officially snowing in Chicago. You know what's funny is I had already filmed this episode, but I figured like you guys have never seen snow in my city yet, any videos of snow in my city yet. So I figured what the heck. But welcome back, season 2, episode 1. So I don't make these episodes to bash or talk crap about another reviewer's channel or any other channel for that matter. For the most part, it's been mainly tech channels that I've been reviewing on this channel as far as what I think is good, my critique about them. It's more so just to kind of give you guys a personal opinion and my perspective on a person's channel, right? But it's me just honestly giving my full opinion on somebody's channel. I'm not doing like super crazy research, looking up where they was born and all that, man. I'm sitting here literally just saying like, yo, this is what I watched on your channel, this is what I didn't like about the channel. So today, we're doing Casey Neistat. Let's get to it. I'm trying to vlog out there, but it's crazy. Y'all saw my beard, man. It was like frosty and whatnot, man. This snow is ridiculous. Like, let me just show y'all in real time right now. Like, no slow mo, just what I'm going through. Now, y'all may be saying, yo, cuz it's not a lot. Hey, B, look here. When you trying to hold this camera, it is. So, yeah. All right, the snow has cleared up a little bit. At least for me, they're going to have a conversation with y'all, man. It's been kind of hard. So, first thing I like about Casey's channel, bro, well, sis, whatever, y'all, I'm gonna be real with y'all, B, man. His tech reviews are trash, yo. Like, his tech, like, I know we've heard people with like worse tech reviews, man. I could definitely can name a couple of people who got way worse tech reviews than Casey Neistat. But his tech reviews are like really like so pointless to me, B. Like when I watch his tech reviews, like I know, like I'm probably literally watching out the strength that I like Casey. But like when he did his tech reviews, like I'm watching it, and like for example, let's take a look at his last tech review he just did with Tech Tuesday, as he called them, for that Sony camera. All right, the tech review he did for that Sony camera was like, bro, if you really like, here's the thing, like when I get a sense of when Casey does his tech reviews, like I'm getting a sense like, bro, you really don't feel like doing it, but you do it just because it's like, hey, yo, I promise y'all this, and which I get, man. But I'd rather you film something that you actually want to film versus you filming something like that where it's like, I seen the camera a handful of times versus me just seeing you doing regular stuff, bro. Like, this is kind of segueing to the next reason why I'm like kind of like not really feeling your channel, or I don't like your channel anymore, is due to the fact that I'm really not seeing any growth. So even with your Tech Review Tuesdays, it's like I'm not seeing any growth with that. And I feel like you're only doing it at this point just to say like you doing it and you putting out the content. It's like, yo, bro, like right now I think you're really stuck in the whole quantity over quality. As much as talented as you are, I just want to see more, especially from your tech, you know, because the thing is with your Tech Tuesdays, you are really just giving like a consumer insight, like, yo, be like, this is straight basic what the customers want to see. But I feel like you're not really review the product enough to kind of give people a sound decision. I'm like, if I should pick it up or not. Snowflake went right into my eye. And that's the only thing that kind of bothers me about your Tech Tuesdays, man. And again, they just kind of like any enthusiasm. Like, you don't seem enthusiastic when you do your Tech Tuesdays. So it's like, why should I be eager to watch them if you don't even feel like you want to review them? Like, that's what I get, in my opinion. You would disagree, comment down below right now, say something crap, whatever the case is, man. But just telling you guys how I see things, just for me just watch this channel on a regular basis. Another thing you guys probably didn't notice is I got the gear icons. The gear icons, and you probably can tell because I got my hoodie on. So this is why I like my gear icons better than AirPods, because they're way more conspicuous. All right, so Casey, like I was saying, bro, you know what I'm saying? Like, again, you're gonna make videos, man. We understand that you pump content out a lot, that you're doing a lot of stuff, man, but we kind of like consumers, you know what I mean? Like, that's not our problem. So, like, I can't do half-ass work because I'm like, I got like a lot of stuff going on. I got client work that I'm doing, I'm a husband, I'm a father, just like you, man. Like, I have a life too, but at least any video that I put out, if they gotta wait a week, they gotta wait a few days, whatever the case is, I do try to bring them quality content each and every time. And I feel like with yours, I feel like, you know, you stated that you don't do this, but it looks like when I see, especially your Tech Tuesday is the prime example of what your rush work looked like. That's like your Tech Tuesdays are not your best work. Like those are your, let me do it because I say I'm gonna do it. So if it's up to me, I either actually start putting some more care into them, or I wouldn't do them at all, but don't, you know what I'm saying? No more half-ass Tech Tuesdays. Okay. I think I'm gonna have to say the rest of this video for when I get inside, because it's snowing that bad, y'all. So, at least for now anyway, man. But as you guys can see, my beard, my hoodie, everything, it's snowing too much. I'm tired of talking to y'all. At least until I get somewhere warm. Y'all, made it to LA finally. A little bit too late to probably be vlogging. I don't know, we'll see. It depends how the night goes. I'm about to do what you're supposed to do in California. You come here and the dopest shot of bullet kind of sit in my system, as y'all saw right now. So we're gonna see how the night goes, and then we'll see if we can finish talking about Casey. Now y'all didn't think I was gonna come to Cali and not go forest walking. Y'all didn't think that, did y'all? Come on now. Alright, y'all, we're just gonna finish the vlog here. LA has not been so nice to me as far as the weather's concerned, and it's been raining, so let's just go ahead and get to it. So I guess the most important thing to me, Casey, that I don't really like about your channel anymore, it's like I feel like I've seen no growth with you in your creativity. Well, not creativity, but I don't see any growth in you. Like, I feel like I've been getting the same Casey for years now. Like, you know, you transformed the game, you've accelerated past, you know, so many levels, excelled past so many levels that we know you're not the same person that you were, right? So we know that the way your thought process works, just like the way you're a businessman now, like, you know, I want to see the more mature side of Casey. I feel like right now we've been getting the same Casey for years and years. It's like, yo, Casey, bro, like, I know this part of you. What's the other side, like the business side, on how to move, things like that? Like, for example, we all know that Hove, Jay-Z, for those who don't know who Hove is, used to sell crack on a Project Steps, right? From his first album, from, you know, Streets to Hard Knock Life, Volume 1. But as you can see through his albums, his music mature, right? So if we take a look at his past album, 444, he don't really talk about selling drugs no more. He don't talk about shooting pistols, you know what I'm saying? I mean, shooting guns and stuff like that no more. He's more so telling you how to, like, you know, move smarter with your money, how to invest properly, do things like that, right? How to make you just a grown man conversation type of thing, a grown man talk, right? Versus like now with Casey, I feel like we still getting Casey on a Project Steps type of thing. You guys, I'm pretty sure you understand this metaphor. It shouldn't be too hard to grasp, because what I'm really just trying to say is I just know there's a different Casey out there. I want to see that growth. Like, for the most part, when I come to your channel and I watch, you know, your vlogs, like, I know what I'm going to get. I just want to see a different side, more the business side. Maybe tell YouTubers how to, you know what I'm saying, move when you get to a certain level, right? So if when you made it to 5 million, hey, these are some of the things I noticed when I made it to this level, some things you should consider. I don't know, just have a different conversation with us, Casey. You know, other than that, man, you know, you're still an awesome creator. You've opened a lot of doors for creators like myself, so it's definitely not a bad, it's not a hate. It's more so just me giving my opinion on your channel, just as a regular viewer thus far. So other than that, man, I hope you guys enjoy season 2, episode 1. Definitely got more coming. Most videos won't be this long, but you know, this one here is like the season 2. Y'all have to like go hard, you know what I mean? Like, go big or go home. So other than that, man, stay locked. If you want to catch the previous seasons, I'll make sure I link it down below or in the video cards. Follow me on Instagram. If you want you some Shine Be Nice apparel, make sure you go check out my website. And I'm out, man. Deuces.